As you watch this video, you will notice that we are lasering up and down angles. We are also doing uneven platforms for both raster and vector. We have the uncanny ability to control our Z-axis with lasers as we do with our rotary engravers. It will do it on raster and vector. If we're doing it on vector, we can emulate X, Y, and Z and go up an angle, as you'll see on some of the videos that are on the CD. Also, this platform has a plate in the front where you'll see lasers and engravers that's set at about a 45-degree angle, then several different platforms as you go up the different axes. We go 150 inches a second, and we have a y-axis motor that is precise to 0.000161, which means we absolutely get pristine circles. We emulate at 8,000 count plus servos, and with between both the servo and motor and the y-axis motor, the precision is uncanny, and we can push up and down up to 200 pounds. Check out the rest of the video. You can see the applications for gun stocks, uneven engraving on glasses without using the round device, etc.